Hello, I am your Tally Guru Abhijit Joshi, and this is Skilled Prime User, a unique course designed to train you on the use of Tally Prime. In the first video lesson, we spoke about the word company with reference to Tally Prime. We also discussed the various types of companies. In this video lesson, we will learn how to create a company in Tally. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
That's great. Let's get started. We will now double-click the icon of Tally Prime to launch Tally. Tally Prime has started. We had learned in the first lesson that Tally can be configured to automatically select the first company. In the video lesson, we also learned how to shut the company. So to shut the company, we will now press Ctrl plus F3 and press Enter. Now we are back in the Select Company form. In this form, we are able to see the list of all the companies we have created in Tally Prime. If we wish to select the company Champs Cold Drinks, we will select it and press Enter. We can see that the company is now selected. We will now shut the company by pressing Ctrl plus F3 and then pressing Enter. Now, we will learn how to create a company in Tally Prime. To create our company in Tally Prime, we will select the first option in this menu, that is, Create Company. Note that the Create Company option is present in the Select Company menu. You all got it?
Yes, sir.
That's great. We will now press Enter here. The moment we press Enter, this form will appear on the screen. This is the Company Create form. In this Company Creation form, we will provide details of the company we wish to create in Tally Prime. The first field in this form is Company Name. Here we will have to enter the name of the company we wish to create. This name is the name of the company for which we wish to maintain accounts in Tally. Before that, I want to draw your attention to a field above this. The company data path. Here you can see D:\Tally data. D: means the D drive of the PC. This is followed by \. This means inside the D drive. Then is the folder name Tally data. So the data of the company we will create will get stored in folder D:\Tally data. So this is the default company path. This path was either specified while installing Tally or configured later on. We will now press Escape once. We will get a prompt to quit. We will press Enter for yes. We are now back in the Select Company menu. We can see that all these companies which are appearing in this form have been stored in the default data path. That is D:\Tally data. Now we can say that when we create a company in Tally Prime, this company gets created in the default folder. That is, the company will get added to this list of companies. We do not want to create our company in the default folder. We want a separate location to store our company data. So while creating the company, we will specify the data path. To change the data path, we can click here or we can press the backspace on the keyboard. We are in the data path field. If we press Enter, we will go to the field Company Name. We will press backspace once again to go back. Enter, backspace. Understood? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Smita, can you tell me what this Enter and backspace does?
Yes, sir, I got it. In Tally, when we press Enter, we go to the next field. To come back to the previous field, we press the backspace.
Very good. You got it right. We will continue. Here the default path is D:\Tally data. But we wish to store the data in the folder Abhijit, which is in the folder Tally data on the drive C. For your practical, I recommend that you create a folder by your name. Since my name is Abhijit, I have given the path C:\Tally data \Abhijit. Neha, can you tell me what will be the data path when you create your company?
Yes, sir. I will give the path C:\Tally data \Neha. That is the folder Neha in the folder Tally data on the C drive.
Perfect. For now, I will give the data path for me. So I will type C:\. Then I will type Tally data. Then \, followed by Abhijit. Neha will type C:\Tally data \Neha. We will now press Enter. The specified path is now being confirmed. It is correct. We will accept it by pressing enter. Oops! The folder Abhijit which we have specified is not present. So here we are getting a message. Do you want to create? So we would like to create a folder. We will press enter for yes. Or we will click on yes. On pressing enter, the folder Abhijit will get created. If the folder tally data does not exist, that also will be created. Now here we can see the path C:\tally data /Abhijit. We will now press enter to accept the path. Now in the company name, we will type the name of our company, that is Gokul Cold Drink House. It is recommended that we specify the financial year in brackets after the company name. So we will type 23-24. By doing so, we will also know the financial year of the company. We will now press enter. This name will now appear in the Select Company menu in the list of companies as Gokul Cold Drink House, followed by the financial year. The next field here is the mailing name. The company name gets copied in the field Mailing Name automatically. The mailing name is used as the name of the company and will be used in the title of reports. So we will remove the financial year and press enter. We will now type the address of the company. We can type multiple lines. Here we will type 3 lines, and on the 4th line we will press enter. Now we will select the name of the state. Wherever necessary, Tally Prime will give us a table for selection. Our state is Maharashtra, so we will select it. To select the name, we can either click on the state appearing in the list. If the list is long, the search becomes difficult, so to search we can also type M, A and H. Tally Prime has this marvelous feature. We had typed M, A and H. We could have typed any letters which are in the word Maharashtra. For example, we would have typed A, R, A and S, or S, H, T and R. Let us try it. We will keep on pressing backspace, and in the state we will type S, H, T and R. You can see Maharashtra. We will press backspace once. Tally Prime is used in 100+ countries. The names of states with their countries will appear. We will move the arrow keys and select Maharashtra by pressing enter. Now that the state has been selected, the country name India will appear automatically. We will now enter the PIN code, telephone number, and the mobile number. We will keep the fax number blank. Then we will type the email address and the website of the company. All these fields are optional. After the mailing name, all the fields can be left blank, even the name of the state. But we recommend that you get into the habit of entering the name of the state, since it is good to enter the name, especially for a GST-enabled company. All the other fields are optional. We will now press enter. So here, we will enter financial year beginning from. While creating the company, we had mentioned the financial year 23-24. So here we will type A23. Tally will accept this date as 1st April 23. We will now press enter. Next field is books beginning from. We will keep it as it is and press enter. Here currency symbol of rupee is automatically filled according to the selected name of country. The formal name is INR Indian Rupee. We will now press enter. Now we will get a prompt to accept this form. In Tally Prime, whenever we create a new form or alter an existing form, this prompt will appear. To accept, we will press Y on the keyboard, or we will click on yes, or we will press the enter key. If we click on no, or we press N, the cursor will go back to the first field in the form. We can make the necessary changes and then accept the form. Aruna, how long are you going to keep your hand up? Tell me what you want.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, go on.
Sir, in the financial year beginning from, we gave 1st April 2023. So below that we should have given the ending of the financial year, that is 31st March 2024.
No. Looks, you didn't read this properly. This is books beginning from, not the end of the period. I will go back by pressing backspace and explain you. If I give the date 31st March 2024, it will mean that I am only working for one day, that is the last day of the financial year. Look, this is financial year beginning from, and that is 1st April 2023. Tally automatically considers the year ending as 31st March 2024. Books beginning from is the day on which the company was appropriated. We can say that from that day the first voucher was made. So if we give 31st March 2024, it will mean that our financial year is from April 2023 to March 2024, but our first voucher will be entered on 31st March 2024, that is the last day of the financial year. If you give the date this way, Tally will allow you only one day to enter vouchers in the financial year, and that would be 31st March 2024. Let us say that this company was appropriated on 1st September 2023. Financial year will begin from 1st April 23 and end at 31st March 24. But the first voucher can be entered only on 1st September 2023. You will not be allowed to enter any voucher with the date prior to 1st September 2023. We will now press backspace. This is the beginning of the financial year and the ending is automatically considered. We will now set the books beginning from 1st April 2023. We press enter, enter, and now we will press enter to accept the company creation form. Aruna, I hope your doubt is clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now that we have accepted the company creation form, the company feature alteration form will appear. We will be discussing this company feature alteration form in detail in the next video lesson. On page number 4 of the book, the image of this screen has been given. On the same page, you will find QR code. On scanning this QR code, you will be able to view the video lesson about the company features. I hope that you all have understood whatever has been taught till now. Have you understood or not?
Yes, sir.
That's all for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Take care and enjoy Tally.